Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name's Norm. Sorry I've been posting a lot lately. Been winter, staying inside, keeping it low key. Last weekend I took my dirt bike out to the mounds and locked up on me. So KTM has a 30-day warranty on their competition models. I bought mine last year. I was coming up on a year anniversary since I bought it. So I had to figure they weren't going to cover it. Took it apart. And what I found out was that the oil pump idler gear is plastic and it had warped. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but the plastic oil pump gear is actually bent, and I think that's what's caused my lack of oil pressure. I started looking on the forums to see if I could find a metal one or if there's an upgrade and stuff like that, because I found a superseded part number. Looks like KTM was covering the repairs even outside of warranty. Called KTM, told them what I found, see what they could do for me. They advised me to go to my local dealership where I bought the bike from to do an evaluation, since I'm not a KTM certified mechanic. Keep in mind I am a Michigan master motorcycle certified mechanic. So I went to Full Throttle Motorsports. That's where I bought it. That's where I buy all my power sports stuff from now. And they were able to verify the root cause of the repair or the damage. They're going to go ahead and cover all the parts. KTM is standing behind their product. Guys, shout out to Christian from KTM who's going to help me along with this. Alright guys, I stopped at the dealership. Pretty much they haven't gotten to it yet. They're going to go look over all the parts on Friday, make a parts list, go over with me, submit the claim, and go from there. I'll keep you guys updated as I get information coming along. If you'd like to watch me go ahead and rebuild this motor, I can go ahead and document that for you. Go ahead and leave me a comment.